Yeah, now we are in a well-known hotel for most people, where they also have the pool party every last Saturday in the month. And this is not the last Saturday of the month. Scorb, the name of the place, with a big pool. The water is cold, I heard, because the sun is not shining much in that pool. And then they have a restaurant here with aircon inside here called Duke's. So, this is Scorb Hotel. And here is Pacific Breeze. And they also have a swimming pool inside. Hello.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Thank you. Hello. Let's go and check here if the pool is open. I think so. Hello, sir and ma'am. And this is Pacific Breeze bar, and the pool is also here. It's also a nice pool, and it's little deeper. Here is 1.3, and on the other side you have wild orchid. Yeah, this is 2 hotels. And here you have Tequila Reef to the left. Then we have the 3rd hotel. It's there. You need to go next street. Here you have Swiss Chalet Hotel and Restaurant. Now we come to one of the more expensive hotels called Central Park. They have a roof deck also with pool and a restaurant in the top. So we take a trip up to the roof deck. Use the Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, ma'am.
And now we are in the roof deck. And here is the swimming pool on the roof deck. Oh, they play very loud music. They have rain here before today, but no rain now. But you have good view from here.